Alright, on American Papa's cooking channel today we'll be making pork quesadillas. First thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of oil in here because it's kind of lean pork. I'm going to put a little of that. Okay, first thing we're going to do is brown this. I use a little Spanish paprika. Some granulated onion. Some granulated garlic. I'm going to brown this up before I put all that in there. That's about how brown I want it. So I'm using a kilo of pork, like a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of this garlic powder, onion powder, granulated garlic. Right here is a trade secret. I'll tell you, it has some cumin in it and some other stuff. Can't tell you that because I sell this stuff around town and I don't want everybody to know my secret recipe. This up like this. You could add onions and garlic to this, but I don't. And if you do it, you could do that. Next thing I do, I'm going to add a little water to that. Start mixing it up. I'm going to show you one secret so all those people that are viewing will get to know. I take some of this and I go like that. Not a whole bunch, but as you can see, that much. Mix that up. So my fire's on medium. A little bit more water. So that's like a quarter cup of water. Probably a quarter cup of that salsa. So you can make burritos, chimichangas. On today's menu is going to be quesadillas. So I cook that down. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. This is what it's going like. I'll do this, let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'll show you how to put the quesadillas together. Okay, this is about the consistency I like. So I'm going to turn that off. Next step is making them up. I use this company's tortillas. Are very good. And I just freeze them. This is my secret sauce that I make up. Everybody loves. Can't tell you how to make that. I'll just tell you the main ingredient is sour cream. So you got a little bowl right here. I use Monterey Jack cheese. Put that in a bowl like that. And what I'm doing, take that like that. Pretty much get it as far to the sides as possible. Pretty much like that. Let's fill this in. Like that. Take your cheese. Sure you get some to the side, that way it sticks and helps close it. The cheese is what makes it good, so make sure you use a good amount of cheese. Then my next is the secret sauce everybody loves, that buys my quesadillas and my chimichangas. Go like that. Put this one on top. Kind of push it down. And for cooking it, I use this little guy. Nice and thin. Okay, put it on there with a little oil. You can see. Check at the bottom. It's looking good. We'll flip it over like that. It's nice and brown. Like that. Turn it down a little bit. be done. That's pretty much what it looks like. I'll do for that.